in front of goal.
Now there's a movement in front of goal here. Ball is Gabriela Quaternet as Ngqakabana has done it for Mamelodi Sundowns, and a goal that they really need. And any goal for them will be a confidence booster for the Yellow Nation. Now, game on. Is Kaizer Chiefs going to respond to this whole situation? Oh, Mamelodi Sundowns, Sipho Ngqakabana is the reason the Yellow Nation have now taken the lead.
It's the persistence of Sibande on the right hand side. That clip, it was enough that found Ngqakabana in the middle without any detection and eventually slotted with his between Boas' legs to get the opener for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Weight of the pass plays a vital role here. He knew how to pinpoint